Is your Fortnite voice chat still not working in Chapter 3? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different methods of how to get it to work for you every single time. G'day mates, my name's Crazy Critical. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 easy methods to fix your Fortnite voice chat. Before we get into the video, I've recently started gifting my subscribers a skin worth up to 2,000 V-Bucks. So if you'd like to be a part of that, make sure you leave a like on this video and you subscribe to the channel. And it would also help if you use my supporter creator code CRITICAL in the item shop. And make sure to comment your epic name, as I'm going to be taking a handful of people every single week to make sure to gift them skins. So let's get right into the video. For the first method, it's the one that I use the most and works for me majority of the time. Now, to start off with this method, you need to make sure that if you use an Xbox, you need a headset adapter. This is probably the same for PlayStation as well, but I'll leave a picture of a headset adapter on the screen right now. I'll also leave a link down below to Amazon, where you can also get yourself a really cheap one. If you don't have a headset adapter, it might not work, these methods. If you're having a problem where people can hear you, but you can't hear them, it's probably because you haven't got a headset adapter. And if it is, it's probably because you're not pressing the right buttons on your headset adapter. To the left of your headset adapter, you should see a controller, which is your game chat, and then another button, which is your party chat. And what you want to do is you need to press both of them a few times. Let's say if you're only hearing the game, you press on the party one a few times until you start hearing your friends. And that's how that works. But once you've got that, the first method, all you have to do is press onto the settings, scroll down, get onto your settings and go all the way to the right. And this isn't one of them easy methods where you just turn it off and turn it back on again. This isn't one of them. But what you want to do is turn it off and apply it. Then you want to make yourself an Xbox party. Once you've made yourself an Xbox party, you want to just back out without leaving it. And then go back onto your settings. Then go all the way to your audio again. And then turn your voice chat on. And then apply it. And then go back onto your Xbox party. And then leave it. That's the first method, and that should work for you, as it works for me majority of the time. Another thing to keep note is make sure you've got someone in the party with you. I haven't got anyone online with me at the moment, but all you have to do is invite someone to join your game, then do the method. Then if they want to leave, that's fine. It should still be working for you, but if you're going to play with them, make sure that they're already in the party with you. Now onto the second method, which is really easy to do. All you have to do is go onto your settings and then go to your audio, and this one's a real simple one. If it doesn't work, I've still got 2 other methods for you to use. You just have to press reset, and then that's really loud. Let me just turn down the music. Okay, and that's it for that method. So if that one didn't work either, there's 2 other methods that I can show you, and then I'll show you proof that they're actually working in a game. Now going on to the third method, a lot of people have told me that this one works for them the most. All you have to do is press an Xbox party or a PlayStation party and create yourself a party. Next thing you want to do, really simple, find the options menu. I'm sure it's easy on the PS4 as well, just somewhere on the options. And then switch to game chat. Now this one works for the majority of the people that I usually see. But if it doesn't, I've still got one other method for you to use, which is a really good updated method. So the fourth method is the most recent one that I've added to this series. Doing this method takes the most time to do, but if you really want your voice chat to work, make sure you do this one as well to make sure. So with this one, you just need to go onto your settings and then go all the way to the right, turn your voice chat off and apply it. And then what you want to do is play 3 games. Now you could do solos, duos, squads, team rumble, and you want to make sure you play the game. But you don't have to play the full game. Just make sure you play at least 2 to 3 minutes. If you play 2 to 3 minutes, you leave, you go back to the lobby, and then start another game. And then do the same thing, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then leave it, come back to the main lobby, and then do another one. You could maybe do with 2, but make sure to play 3 games, as that's the one that I see is working the most. So once you've finished playing the 3 games and you've returned back to the lobby, that's when you turn your voice chat back on. So you're leaving it off for 3 games, and then it should reactivate it and make it work for you. So if any of these methods ended up helping you, make sure to use my support creator code, as it really supports the channel, and I'll be able to do more giveaways. Also, don't forget to leave a like on the video if it ended up helping you, subscribe to the channel if you want to be part of the giveaways, and make sure to leave your epic name down below so I can pick a handful of you to be gifted a free skin. Now I'm going to show you proof that one of the methods is actually working. Specifically the one that I use the most, as that's my favourite one. As you can see where my name is right now, I've got no mic. I've got my headset plugged in, but it's just not showing. So as you can see, I'm in a game now, so I'm just going to find a quiet place to land just so I'm not interrupted when I'm trying to do one of these methods. I'll probably go to that lighthouse over there. Oh, and I just realised the zone goes in. I probably should have done a solo or a duo. Okay, so I've just landed in the tree. Hopefully I don't get shot at, and hopefully the zone doesn't kill me. But as you can see at the top left, I don't have my headset icon showing up. I've got my headset plugged in, but it's not coming up. So, doing this first method, remember all you have to do is go onto your menu, your settings, and then go on your audio. Go and turn off your voice chat and apply it. Then make yourself an Xbox party. This could be a PS party as well. Then exit out of that, but don't leave the party. And then go back onto your settings. One sec. Oh, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Then you go back to your audio, turn it back on, and apply it. Then you want to go back onto your Xbox party, leave it, and then your icon should show up. So as you can see, my microphone is actually moving now. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to win some skins, make sure to use my support creator code and subscribe to the channel. Comment down your epic username as well, so that's how I can take the handful of names and add them and then send you your skins. Also, for my next Fortnite video, if it's in a week's time or 2 weeks time, I'll show proof of me gifting the skins. So I will see you guys in the next video.